Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can customize Steam profiles, and to do that you'll have to launch your Steam application and log in with your account. So first of all, you'll have to go to your profile. As you'll see, I'm in my profile page. From here you will have to press on edit profile here, and then from here you'll see a bunch of options at the left side. Press on theme. So if you scroll down, you'll see 6 themes that are free and you can use them straight away. So simply click on one, and as you can see, the preview is there at the back, so you can simply choose which one do you want. So press save and it will change your theme to that. So if you want to buy themes, get premium themes, what you can do is you can press on this Steam Points shop, press on here. So it will take you to the points shop. So as you can see, I'm in the points shop. So from here you'll have to go to game profiles. So select on game profile from the left, and from here you'll see all the popular ones and all the artists here as well. So you can scroll down, you can search for the profile of games and select the theme. So let's go for Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. So if you press on that, as you can see, this is the preview. So this will be your profile banner, icon banner, and then the at the background you'll see your horse and everything. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to scroll down and you'll need to buy or get points. So press on how to get points if you don't have any. So you'll have to top up your points in this points shop. So this profile needs 10,000 points. So it will tell you how to do it, and then you'll have to top up, and then you can buy the theme from this premium theme from this point shop. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.